Welcome to the channel. In this video I want to show you how to find promising meme coins which have just been released. If you are also tired of falling for rug pulls and scams, stick around because I will break down this strategy step by step. We are on BullX, the most popular exchange for meme coins, and we are going in the pump.fun section looking for new creations. The first thing we want to do is set the filter. Select pump.fun tokens only, with at least one social. In the bonding curve, 50% minimum, the holders 20, the volume 3000 and market cap 10,000, and click apply. You will see a list with interesting coins that just been released on pump.fun. Now we're going to check the two most critical metrics. The percentage held by the developer and the percentage held by insiders of top holders. We want to take out all the scam coins and rug pulls. If the developer or insiders hold too much of the coins, there's a high risk of them dumping the tokens, leaving you with worthless bags. I also avoid coins with Twitter and Telegram accounts with no activity in their feed. These coins often attract bots with unnatural behavior, which leads to unpredictable price movements. Another red flag is a chart with extreme candlestick patterns. If the token price rises unnaturally with strange patterns, like buys only and no sales, avoid them, because these coins are heavily manipulated. If you see a chart with steep climbing candlesticks, then it's very likely a honeypot coin. In a honeypot scam, a token is programmed to prevent people from selling their coins after they buy them. It's a common scam trick, and I have been in honeypots a few times. That's why I'm warning you for them. You can avoid honeypot tokens by looking at the alerts. If the liquidity isn't locked and burned, and minting is still active, that's a clear indication that the token is not safe. I also prefer community-controlled coins over developer-controlled coins. Developer coins have concentrated ownership, meaning a bunch of insiders hold a majority of the supply. Community coins, on the other hand, are traded by normal people who believe in and support the token. When scanning for meme coins, wait until the developer sells his position and the community takes over. Green circles are buys and red circles are sales. If the developer sells his coins, the price retraces, and if you see some green candles appear from buyers, that's when you want to get in. Entering after a retrace reduces the risk of being dumped on and sets you up for a potential pump to the upside. Don't forget to set your stop loss and take profit order right after you place your order. BullX can do this automatically if you use the advanced sell feature. If the community shows no interest in taking over the project and you don't see any green candles, the coin is 99% dead, so leave and find something else to trade. In this chart, the developer sold his holdings early and we see steady natural buys coming in from real traders after the retracement. If you had bought after the developer sells off, you'll be in a prime position for taking profits. I recommend taking your first profits at 50%. This is a safe bet, and you can take more at 100 or 150%. Don't chase for 5 or 10x profits. If you are greedy, there's a big chance that the coin dumps and you win 0. And if the coin goes up to 10 or 1000x, at least you took some profits from the table. New coins can crash hard and fast. You can also sell only 90% of your tokens and keep 10% as moonback in case the coin goes to the millions. Risk management is so important in trading. Many traders who get excited after a few winners and start trading with too much money. Just don't do it, it will ruin you. I have been there, and revenge trading liquidated my account in no time. It's something that we all experience. Losing makes us feel bad and upset. If you find yourself in a losing streak and feel it's payback time, just step away from your computer and do something else. Get out, walk the dog, breathe some fresh air or watch Netflix. Whatever you do, just get away from the charts. It will save you a lot of money. Here's a recap of my new coin scalping strategy. Look for coins with locked and burned liquidity. Search for real buyers and avoid coins where the majority of trades come from snipers, insiders and bots. Wait until the dev sells his position, and after the price retraces you want to see green candles pop up. Never buy before the dev sells. Once you get in, set a stop loss and take some profits at 50% and start trading with a little money. You should set a goal like making 1 or 5 Solana per day and stick to it. Don't expect every coin to be a winner, but if you use this strategy, you will increase your odds of finding those rare gems. Oh, one more thing before I go. Bitcoin has crossed 100,000 and we are officially in the bull market. Now more than ever it's important to protect your crypto. Scammers nowadays use advanced technology to try to steal your crypto. I store most of my crypto on a hardware wallet because I don't trust centralized exchanges. Look what happened with FTX, BlockFi, Celsius, Mt. Gox and some other big crypto exchanges that went down, leaving users with empty wallets. If you send funds or crypto to an exchange, your money can be used to invest in risky projects, like Sam Bankman-Fried of FTX did. He used customer funds for shady investments, political donations and personal expenses without proper authorization. And when FTX collapsed, investors lost all their money. You only receive the public key of your exchange wallet to send or withdraw your crypto, but you don't have access to the seed phrase. It's something that not many people understand, but it's so important to be informed. If you're not using a hardware wallet like a ledger to store your crypto, you will never experience the peace of mind that comes from secure self-custody. If you want to buy a ledger device, you can use my referral link in the description below and get a special discount. Never think that bad things can't happen to you. Protect yourself and get a ledger. It's the best advice I can give you. Remember, always trade responsibly and don't risk more money than you can afford to lose. Thanks again for tuning in. If you like this content, please leave a like, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to get all my latest video first. Trade safe and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.